Now then YouTube, you join us back in 1977 where we have some old Massey Ferguson combines. There's a 525. I can't actually make out what the other ones were in the background, but as Ian Welburn said to me tonight, he said if they're a squarer shape, they're the newer 525, 625 model, which you can see there at the front is the squarer shape, and then the two trailing behind at the back are more of a rounder shape, and he said they'll be more like a 510 or a 515 model, I think. So going off that Pro, that looks to be like a 135 tractor with cab on there, collecting the grain, but I can't make out what them other two are down there. Later on in the video, if you skip towards the back, to the back of the video, to about 4 minutes 10, you'll see a Blue Ransoms combine. I haven't really seen much or know much about that, but if you want to see that, or just watch the rest of the video. And that there's Gene Cragg's. This film is mainly, or these films that I've got are mainly of their farm, I think, or bits they've taken interest of. And the reason I say it's 1977 is because on one of the other video clips I've got on of Eberston Village, they're celebrating the Queen's Jubilee from 1950. They're celebrating 25 years of the Queen's Jubilee, which is 1952 to 1977, and that's written on the windows. So that gives us some idea of when these films were taken. The film's pretty good quality really, you can make out a lot of stuff on it, but there is no sound to it, which is a bit of a shame, so we can't hear them buzzing away. What else can I waffle on about in this video? The Massey Ferguson 525 was made from 1964 to 1971. The engine manufacturer was Perkins. It had 6 cylinders, and I believe it's a non-turbo, this model. The horsepower was rated at 104. You don't want to note fuel tank capacity, but it was 193 litres. Number of front gears, front plus reverse is 3, so whether that had 3 forward and 3 back, I'm not too sure. I did say 4 minutes 10 for the Ransoms, but I think you just saw a clip of it there. And then also just there you can just see a Fordson Power Major with a loader carting corn by the looks of it there. Oh, there's that Ransoms combine. It looks like Ian Welburn, the top researcher, was right. 510 written on the side of the Massey Fergusons there in them black circles. I don't know if you can read it or not from your TV screens. So I've just looked up some stats for the Massey Ferguson 510, and it was made from 1965 to 1971, again a Perkins engine. Displacement 5,800. Number of cylinders, it had 6 with 104 horsepower. So there's that combine I was on about, and judging by the looks of it, it looks like maybe a Ransoms 902 possibly. I'm not too sure, unless if you do know, leave us a little comment, and then I can maybe put a little subtitle in what it actually is.